Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Desert M.S.E Consulting. As always, my name is Chance. And if you've clicked on this video, you're wondering the mindset for making money. Well, quite simply, there's two very important things that you need when you need to try to make more money, or you try to make more money on the side, or in fact, just making money doing videos online. But this can also translate into other things, such as trying to be a better parent, trying to be more healthy, trying to go to the gym more often, and actually follow through with your New Year's resolution. Quite simply, you need two very important things. And one of the very important things is visualize yourself in that future state and do that constantly. Write a little bit of sticky note of a goal that you want to do that honestly kind of scares you. When I first started out trying to perform videos and do make money online as a side gig, I wrote a very scary goal for myself. I'm going to just put in a little bit of a ballpark here. I wrote down $50K a month in profit. And so when it comes down to it, I didn't say specifically whether or not I would be making 50K or if I had split that between many of my colleagues that'll be joining me on the YouTube platform shortly. But 50K a month is a pretty huge number, and it does scare me because I have no idea what to do with that amount of money. Hopefully, when I get to that point in a couple years, if I ever get to that point, that it'll be very easy for me to see where the money will be going to. But it'll also allow me to quit my job and be my own boss. That's very important because that's the reason why you're here. You're trying to figure out how to be your own boss. You're trying to figure out how to make your own money so that you don't have to go and listen to your boss gripe at you about something that went wrong or some minor thing that doesn't really matter in the end scheme of things. You want to be able to make your own money and see it through to the very end. So, when it comes down to what's the second thing that you need? Well, you need to understand your hierarchy of values. And when it comes down to it, I'm not the one that came up with this. I've listened to this from many coaches, and it has helped me realign my goals in life to get away from some of the junk aspect of my life, such as video gaming and such as watching just random videos or doing piss poor life decisions like drinking too much. I never drank too much, but I did want to go out a lot. So how I realign my hierarchy of values is it's a very interesting process, and it didn't take me as long as I thought it would. I set up a Word document, and what I did was I said, how can my business improve me? How can my business improve my life? How can my business improve my family? And I did those types of questions of how my business or me making money by myself would improve me or get rid of bad habits and make my life better. I did that 200 times, and I tried to be very descriptive in those questions. I only did 20 questions a day for 10 days, and while that sounds like a lot, 20 questions you can get out in probably like a lunch break. It's not that difficult. Doing 200 questions, that was going to take what's going to be an issue for you, because right now making money online is probably at the bottom of your hierarchy of values. And when you want to be able to do something and be able to go through it and actually deal with the pain to be able to get to that satisfying goal, you need to have it up in your top 5 of your hierarchy of values. And that's the reason why people who set goals such as I'm going to lose weight on New Year's, they don't do it for very long is because it's very low on their hierarchy of values. They want to be able to get the results without the pain. Now, if they have it high on their hierarchy of values, like you see some bodybuilders or some people that are extremely fit, it's because them being healthy is high on their hierarchy of values. And so you need to put your business or put your ability to make money higher on your hierarchy of values. So with that, 200 questions of how it can improve you. And this can go for any thing that you want to do. It can go for, again, losing weight, be a dog trainer, making money, improving your home. Things like that are important on your hierarchy of values to be able to push them up and down your hierarchy of values, and it's a subconscious list. So doing a conscious thing 200 times pushes it higher on your subconsciousness. So with that, I'm going to give you guys a quick plug. So down below in the description, my mentor, one of the mentors I've talked about these important mindsets, is providing 4 free courses of how you can make money online, basically with your cell phone. So go down in the description below, put in your email on the website that's going to come up, and don't worry, your information will never get shared. I only have the list for myself. It does not get sold to anybody. I don't believe in that nasty practice, so the only thing I'm going to be providing you is those 4 training courses, and that's it. Okay, guys? So until next time, I'll see you in the winner's circle. Bye now.